Hello everyone. In this episode, we'll discuss cross-join in SQL Server. A cross-join in SQL Server is a type of join that produces the Cartesian product of two or more tables. This means that every row from the first table is combined with every row from the second table and so on. For this example, I am going to use two tables, that is department and employee table. So now let me fetch the record from both the tables first to show you. Start from employee, and now next one is select star from department, and now let me run this query. So the first table is an employee table. You can see employee ID, employee name, employee country, department ID, and salary. And the second table is the department, where you can see the department ID, department name, and location. When I join these two tables in a cross join, what will happen? The employee 31 is joined with the this one, department number 1, that is human resource or HR department. Then 32 also joined with the department number 1, HR department, and 33 also, so on. When it will come to the 37, and after that again it will start from the 31, and the 30 employee ID 31 joined with the information technology department, 32 will again join with the information technology department, and so on. So now we'll see how we can, using a cross join, we can join this table. So I'll use a select, and I will fetch employee ID from the employee table, employee ID, and I will, let me make a one space, and employee ID, and then employee dot employee name, comma, department dot department name. So two column from employee table, employee ID and employee name, and this department name is from the department column. From my first table will be the employee, cross join, cross join, join with department table. So here you can see the cross join. So I am joining the employee with the via cross join with the department table. And now let me run this actually. So once I will run, you can see the 31 to 37 is joined with the human resource department, HR department, and again it start from the 31, and 31 to 37 is joined with the information technology, and similarly for marketing and R&D and so on. So this is all about the cross join. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.